Good morning, everybody. My wife finally gave my smoker back to me. She's letting me use it today. If you don't know us, I'm Andy, and my wife is holding the camera right now. We're less work, more camping. Although right now it seems like more barbecue, less camping. But we're going to change that next week. We have a trip planned we're going to do. So, in the meantime, today I'm going to do a pork butt. And first thing I got to do is I got to get the smoker cleaned up and get it ready and get the pork prepped to throw it on there. So I'm using my Pitboss, a small one. It's a pellet smoker. If anybody is unfamiliar with pellet smokers, this is what it is. You know, it looks like a regular barbecue grill on the inside, and over here it has a control panel. And this is the hopper where you can throw your pellets in, and they have a lot of different kinds of pellets, flavor profiles that you can use. Right now I'm using hickory, but you can get, I mostly use what they call a competition blend by Pitboss. It has 3 different kinds of woods in it. I like using that a lot, but I'm using hickory today for this. And you know, it's got a control panel, and you can set the temperature to whatever you like. I usually smoke about 220, low and slow. So that's how I like to do things. Some people like to do it fast and hot, but I found that low and slow has much better flavor to it, I think. So that said, let me get everything prepped and get ready to go. Guys, I got the smoker all cleaned up and up to temperature. It's ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and throw this pork butt on here. Okay, this is what it looks like. I rubbed it down with mustard, regular yellow mustard, and I use that to adhere the rub onto it. And you will not taste the mustard when it's all done, but it does work good to adhere your rubs to. And what I'm using for a rub, I've got this, we're trying something new. I usually use my own rub that I make, but we came across this and it looked kind of intriguing, so we're going to give that a try. Took a taste of it. It tastes pretty darn good. I can get this off of here. All right, now I have a electronic meat probe that I use. I'm going to put that in there. All right, now I'm going to put about 4 hours worth of smoke on it, and then I'm going to come back out here and I'm going to wrap it up and continue the cook for the remaining time. So I'm going to get it up to a final internal temperature of 205, so that'll make it real easy to pull. So we'll see you in 4 hours. All right, guys, it's been 4 hours since we put this thing on. Let's take a look at it and transfer it over to a pan.
Oh, that looks fabulous.
Smells even better.
Smells better too.
Alright, well, it's really windy out here today.
Yeah, it is. A little chilly.
Okay, that was easy enough. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a cup of apple juice to it. I'm just going to take some heavy duty foil and cover it up. couple of vent holes in it. And stick the meat probe back in it.
Making sure not to hit the bone.
And I'm just going to cook it until the internal temp gets up to 205. Come back at you. See you then. It's time to check this thing out. My internal thermometer went off in the house and it says it's at 205, so I'm going to check it out there. I also make it a habit of checking with another thermometer just to make sure.
Look at that steam.
Yeah, it's hot.
I bet you she's hot. Oh my goodness, that looks so good.
Oh, I can tell it's... Yep, she's definitely done. And this the way this probe goes through, it goes through like butter. So now I'm going to take it in the house and let it rest for at least a half an hour. Then we're going to go ahead and start pulling it. See what we got. Alright guys, we gave it a 30-minute plus rest period, so we're going to go ahead and dive on in here and see what we have. Let's see, look at this. Look how tender that is. Here, you going to try a piece?
Yes. Mmm. I can get that spice right off the bat. What?
Mmm. That's some pretty good stuff right there.
Some great groceries.
Good groceries.
Woo!
Mm. I like that new rub there. That's a good finding.
Yes, it is.
It's got a little bit of a kick on the back end. Has an excellent flavor to it. Oh man.
All right, save some for dinner.
I think I'm gonna have to cut this video short. That's good stuff right there. Now all I have to do is just pull it apart and get some Cajun rolls out and make some sandwiches. Alright guys, that'll be it for this video. Like I said earlier, we're going to head out for a little 2-day trip for next weekend. We're heading out Friday, and we're going to go over to the Maryland's Eastern Shore, and I'm hoping to get some kayaking in there. So we'll see you then. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.